ABCs of kindness. A is for all of us. Be everybody's friend. B is for believing things will be okay in the end. C is for being caring in everything you do. D is for dear ones who mean the world to you. E is for everyone, we are all the same. F is for forgiveness, don't always look for blame. G is for gratitude, give thanks along the way. H is for hope, tomorrow's another day. I is for inviting everyone to play. J is for joy when you make somebody's day. K is for kindness, treat everyone with care. L is for love, a thing we all can share. M is for making time for everyone. N is for nobody missing out on fun. O is for others, your friends and family. P is for patience, some things happen gradually. Q is for quiet times, for thinking on your own. R is for remembering, friends will never be alone. S is for sharing, you'll find it can be fun. T is for trying, don't give up until you're done. U is for understanding and offering a kind word. V is for voices, let everyone's be heard. W is for worries and keeping them at bay. X is for kisses for loved ones every day. Y is for yes I can, there's nothing you can't do. Z is for sleeping peacefully when your day of kindness is through.